I just got home and I can't sleep. So maybe we will try to create some content. First phase, the first phase that we need to do to our journey is to pay off the debt. I have a total of 10,000 peso in debt that we need to pay. 9,000 of those are for the laptop and 1,000 is for the Wi-Fi that I didn't pay. So in order for that to be paid, I need to, you know what? I need to get some job. Get, I need to get some jobs. Job. I need to get a job. So once I found, now I am the job and I'm 2 weeks in. I get my first salary, which is 4,000. 2,000 of those are going to the 9,000 laptop, and the 1,000 are going to, and the 1,000 pesos is going to the pledge that I pledged to the church. 400 is for the tithes, and 600 is for my transportation fee every day, so I don't need to rely on my parents. And something something kung may matira, that's mine. So our goal is the 75% in phase 1. 75% goes to paying off the debt, 15% is for me, and the remaining 10% goes to the church. That's how I spend my money. Okay? And yung 15% kasama na doon yung mga gym na gusto ko. Wala pa, kasama na doon yung hindi ako makatulog eh. Kakain ako, luto ko ulam. And yung sa 600 na yon kasama na doon yung gym membership, which is 400 per month. Easy. So we need to get those. Wala akong biceps. So I need to get to gain some muscles and let's do our job. So that is for the phase 1. Phase 1 consists of 4 categories. One is for spiritual series. So we need to create a series about spirituality. Every Sunday gagawa ko ng content about sa natutunan ko during that Sunday, and devotion, yun yung pangalawa. Tapos prayer din kung may suggestion kayo. That is the first series and the most important one. The second series that I need to make is about the second series is about health or physical well-being. So sa health, kasama na dun yung training, consider, kasama na dun yung physical training, sleep, rest. That's all. Oh, or food, needed din yun for food prep. And the third series we need to do is for our mental well-being. So kasama na mental or anything related to brain. So we need to read books, meditate. So yun yung mga dapat natin gawin for our third. That's yun, tatlo yun. Gagawin ko ng content yun, tatlo. For books. And the last one is for financial. We need to create I need to create content for my financial well-being. So that includes investing, paying off the debt. So since we are in the phase 1, I need to pay off the debt, and that is my goal for my financial during phase 1. I need to pay the debt I have. And also, while while we do that, we read books, we train, and we eat our spiritual daily and weekly. So I need to I will share to you everything that I learned so far, and I hope I can share, and I will share everything I've learned so far, and I hope that you will pick up something that you really want. I I hope you pick up something that can help you in your life journey. Peace out. Hindi pa pala. I will stop muna producing music, and this will be my main focus. And for the suggestions, I will continue it later on the journey after I finish this my problem. I finish up my praying my debt. Okay. After that, we will start content creation about music. Okay. Peace out.